We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We're showing you how to make homemade drop biscuits that are buttery, light, and fluffy on the inside and golden brown on the outside. These are so simple. Start by whisking flour, baking powder, and salt together until they are well blended. Set the flour mixture aside and then grab a stick of very cold butter from the refrigerator. Cold butter is important here. Cut 1 tablespoon of butter and reserve it for later. We'll melt that and brush it all over the baked biscuits when they come out of the oven. As for the remaining butter, simply cut it into small cubes. This just makes it easier to incorporate into the flour mixture. Scatter the cold butter cubes over the flour and then work it in. You can use your hands by rubbing the butter into the flour, or use a handheld pastry cutter to cut the butter into the flour. A food processor is also an option if that's what you'd prefer. When the mixture looks like coarse crumbs, it's ready for some liquid. Use a fork to mix in milk as you slowly pour it in. We want to be careful not to overmix and just want to stir until it comes together into a rustic dough. If you find the dough is dry, add a splash more milk. Now simply drop mounds of dough onto a baking sheet or into a cast iron pan. I'm using a cookie scoop, but a spoon will work perfectly fine. If you notice some of the mounds are looking too rustic for you, use your fingers and press them together into a rounded mound. Now bake the biscuits until they are golden brown on top and around the edges. After removing them from the oven, melt the butter reserved earlier and brush it on top of each drop biscuit. And that's it. Buttery, soft, and fluffy drop biscuits. These are so good, it's hard to only eat one. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.